How to restrict someone on Facebook. In this video, I'm going to show you how to restrict someone within the Facebook app on your iPhone or Android phone. And if this video helps you, please consider giving it a like and also subscribe to my channel because that really helps me out. In order to restrict someone, we must first be friends with them on Facebook. And restricting someone will limit that person to only seeing our public information on our profile. They won't be able to see anything we post that is private or only for friends. So to restrict someone, simply open up the Facebook app on your iPhone or Android phone, then select Menu in the bottom menu, and then select Friends. Once you get to Friends, select Your Friends at the top, and then you'll see a list of your friends here. Select the person that you want to restrict, and then just select Friends next to Message, and in that menu, select Edit Friends List. From here, all we need to do is select Restricted, and then Done, and then we have now restricted that person on Facebook. If this video helped you, give it a thumbs up, and please consider subscribing to my channel. Thank you so much for watching.